Welcome to Wood Gas Stove Science, where I attempt to learn the science behind wood gas stoves. This is Secondary Airport Experiment Part 5.4. In this experiment, I used the optimized primary airport layout that we arrived in previous videos, and I tweaked the secondary airports from the last video so the air entered the burn chamber at an angle. The fuel parameters are kept the same throughout the experiments. I've used 1 measured cup of wood pellets and 1 tablespoon of wood pellets soaked in heat in the yellow bottle. By 5 minutes into the burn, all 16 secondary ports had good flames, and the jets at an angle seem to be causing a vortex. Wow, it's very interesting. As you can see from this view, the jets all seem to be spinning in a counterclockwise direction, and there's quite a bit of blue flame. It's a very nice looking burn so far. I'm pleasantly surprised at the strength of the flames coming out of the ports and the dark blue color. This is a beautiful flame. Another interesting discovery during this burn was how quickly putting a pot stand on the stove stabilizes the flame. Once I put the pot stand on, the flickering stops and the jets are very consistent, and you can see the rotation of the flames as it comes up. At 15 minutes, all 16 secondary ports continue to have strong jets of flame. I'm very impressed with the swirling vortex and the pressure of the gas coming out of the ports. This is still a beautiful burn. Here I show again how quickly the flame stabilizes when the pot stand is put on. This is a very interesting thing, and I'll do some experiments about pot stands later. In this view, you can notice the individual jets of flame continuing all the way up through to the top of the burn. It's really very mesmerizing. At 20 minutes all the way through 25 minutes, the flames coming out of the jets are still very, very strong, and the spinning vortex is also very strong. The flames meet in the middle and continue to swirl upward. By 26 minutes, the burn down had started. You can see that the flames coming out of the jets aren't quite as strong. Although the vortex is continuing, it is definitely dying out. By 27 minutes, the flame is about out. In summary, the total burn time for the test was just over 27 minutes. The fuel consumption for this test was over a half of a cup. The jet appearance for this test was a spinning vortex. The conclusion is just changing the airflow from a straight entrance to an angled entrance creates a very strong vortex. Thank you for joining me with Wood Gas Stove Science. This was Secondary Airport Experiment Part 5.4. Goodbye.